Hi, Ben Guthrie team. This video is walking you through how to add and remove a library blog post. What is a library blog post? Let's talk about that. When you sign into your website, you're taken to the dashboard side. That's this gray and black side. To get to the front of your website, click on your library's name, so Ben Guthrie, and wait for the page to load. The blog post area is this first area that you want to be updating with big news, like promoting your digital library app, Libby, and your ongoing classes. So here's your Ojibwe language class. So for an example today, we're going to add a blog post for the printing app. So how do we add a new library post here? Like I said, when you sign into your website, you will have a black bar across the top of your website here, or you'll be taken to that back page. To get to the back side, you can click on your library name, just like you can click on your library name to get to the front side. Either way, the control that you need to add a new blog post is right here. Hover over New and click on Post. This screen is where you add your new blog post information. So I'm going to call this blog post Printing with Print. Okay, and so for a shortcut, I typed out what I wanted for the blog post into a different place. So I'm going to go and grab that blog post that I already wrote and paste it in here. And I have some links, so I will add the links in here. So the link for finding it in the Apple Store is here. Or in the Google Play Store is here. I just searched for it on the internet and took the address from that. And here's the page with all the information on print. So now we have all the printing with print blog post language in here. And so now on the right hand side, I need to tell it to show up on the home page and also put an image in here. So it's important for you guys to use good images, but it can be a learning curve to figure out how big of an image to grab from the internet. So what I'm going to do is I sent you a template for the tool called Canva, where you can put in all kinds of images that it already has for you. And so I sent you the file called Website Image Template for Lac du Flambeau Ben Guthrie. And the design that I sent you was actually a design that we used for your garden. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this same template, which makes sure all the website images are going to be the same size, and use it to build your image for your print article. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to do an internet search for the print images and find the images that they give for marketing. I found this image in their packet here on printing using their app. So I took that image and I'm going to paste it into here. So hopefully it will show up. But there it is on our phone. There it is. And I'm going to take their logo. Okay, so I made an image in Canva that we can use for our blog post image. Now remember, I sent a template your way, so you're gonna have to play around in Canva or find a picture on the internet that is not too huge to add as your image. Now, when you are finding an image, it's important for you to use a JPEG image so that if you use a regular picture with that is and it's a huge file, it's not gonna look nice on your website and it's gonna slow it down. Or it might still look nice, but it will slow your website down. So once you have the information for your blog post in here and ready to rock, over on the right-hand side, make sure you click homepage if you want it to show up on your homepage. If it's a program, make sure to click program. Okay. On the far right side beneath that, you'll find featured image. So now let's go find an image off of our desktop that I downloaded or in your download files. So I'm going to do that again. I click on set featured image, and you can either choose from the images already in your media library on your website. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to upload file, select file, and find that picture on my computer where I put it. So I downloaded a picture just for print, and here it is, using all of their imagery. And I'm going to call this picture printing with Pritch. And I'm going to set that as my featured image. There it is. And I'm going to click publish. So now I'm going to check my work because on the right-hand side, it says it published on February 13th, 2023. Well, let's go look and make sure it's in the right spot on the home page. So up on the top left corner of your screen, click on Ben Guthrie to get to the front side of your website. And there it is. Here's our nice little teddy bear dancing with the Princh app. When I click on read more, it gives us that language that I put in here from the blog post. I can click here for the directions on how to print, or if I click or tap here on my phone for the Apple Store or Google Play Store, I can download the app there. So I did put a page up with your print information on it here. So when I click there, here's your print page. Here's a button to go get specific directions if you're printing from your computer or from your phone. You'll also notice that I added the Lactoflambeau printing ID right into the page so people can find that there. Find the print page under your resources tab right there, print with Princh. Now, how do you remove a blog post? Let's say you want to remove the Princh post from here. Or maybe your garden project is done. What you want to do is go click on your library name, make sure you're on the backhand side. On the left, you can find posts. Click on posts. Here is where you can see every post on your website. To remove one from the home page, you want to find the item that you want to remove. Click on edit when you hover over the blog post. And then on the right-hand side, you would want to choose uncategorized and remove the home page setting and click update. Now, if I were to go to the homepage by clicking on Ben Guthrie, the blog post would be removed, but I want it there. So I'm gonna click on homepage again and save my work. But if you wanted to remove it from the homepage, that's what you do. You open up the blog post by clicking posts, opening up the blog post by clicking on edit, and choosing uncategorized instead of the home page. So you would deselect home page and choose uncategorized. Save your work and it's off of the home page. Thanks, guys.